Putting on the Vive Elbow Ice Wrap is easy. Once your supplied gel packs are heated or cooled, insert the packs into each of the 4 pockets located on the inside of your wrap. With the gel pockets facing up, fold over the left outside and right outside pockets towards the middle. This will expose the black plastic D-rings. Before putting the brace on your arm, you'll pull the straps through the D-rings and attach them loosely so there's enough room to put your arm through. Then simply place your arm through the opening and pull up over the elbow. Secure the straps for a snug and comfortable fit, and adjust the compression as needed. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or contact us at vivehealth.com.